Yo, what is going on everyone? Earn with Todd here, and in this video, I'm going to tell you why I actually left OspreyFX. If you've already been on YouTube and you've been typing in OspreyFX review, odds are you've already seen my 2 review videos, because at the time I was heavily using OspreyFX. I had my main trading account on them, but recently I decided to remove all of my funds off of them, and I want to make it clear, okay, the reason being is not what you think. Osprey did not scam me, they didn't run off with my money, okay? In fact, I haven't even had a single issue trading on OspreyFX. Every deposit has been smooth, and I've been getting withdrawals within 20-30 minutes. So OspreyFX definitely is not a scam. They do pay out, but I just want to spend a little bit of time talking about the reason why I actually decided to remove all of my funds from them. And 3 or 4 months ago, okay, I was trading Forex a lot. I wasn't really messing with trading the indices such as US 30, NASDAQ, S&P 500. And after the coronavirus crash happened with all these indices, I saw all of these opportunities, but the problem was I couldn't really trade on OspreyFX on US 30 because I only had like a $500 account. And if you're trying to trade something like US 30 on OspreyFX with a $500 account, okay, there's no way you're going to be able to keep risk management in check, okay? You're not going to be able to risk 1 to 2%, okay? Instead, you're going to have to be risking 3%, 4%, 5%. And we all know when you're starting to risk that much per trade, that is always going to lead to disaster, okay? There's no other way around it. If you risk too much on your trading account, it will be blown eventually. So I started searching for a broker that was going to specify my needs on trading on indices with a smaller account. And luckily, I was doing some research and I found a broker called Ingot Brokers. And what was unique about this broker is they allowed you to trade US 30 on a smaller account and on smaller contract sizes. And I know a lot of you are used to hearing, oh, just 1 pip is worth 10 cents. Well, that may be true on OspreyFX because the contract size on US 30 is actually 100, which makes 1 pip worth 10 cents. But if you have an account over on Ingot Brokers, not only are you going to have smaller contract sizes, but 1 pip on US 30 is only going to be worth 1 cent if you're trading on 1 microlot. So if you want to match OspreyFX with 100 contracts, on Ingot Brokers you would have to trade on 1 mini lot and vice versa. So by having only 1 pip be worth 1 cent, you're going to be able to trade these markets like US 30 with very little risk, even a $100 to $200 account, because 100 to 200 pips is only going to be a $1 to $2 loss, which is only a 1 to 2% risk, which is absolutely perfect if you want to stay in the game long-term trading. And Ingot Brokers is actually a broker I have done over 400 trades on now. In a previous video, I talked about me also doing over 400 trades on OspreyFX. Well, I've been trading quite heavily on Ingot Brokers the last couple months. They are completely regulated, so I feel a little bit safer about my money. They are regulated in actually 2 places, one being in St. Vincent and the other being in Australia by the ASIC. And many other brokers are also regulated by them. So that was the main reason why I left OspreyFX. There was no fancy smancy thing. Oh, they scammed me. Oh, they tried to raise the spread on me or swaps or whatnot. No, okay, OspreyFX did not do any of those things. Okay, think of it like this way, okay? If you go to a restaurant, you're going to, let's say you want to look for Italian food, okay? You can't go to a Mexican food place and expect to order Italian food. So I look at brokers like restaurants, you're going to go to the places that are going to suit what you want. And what I want is lower trading risk on indices such as US 30, Dow Jones, because I'm actually streaming live every single weekday. Whoa, look at this, we just broke 1,000 pips. Yes, just smashed 1,000 pips. 900 pips right there, y'all. At 6:30 a.m. Pacific to around 8:30 a.m. Pacific on the Twitch platform. So I'm live trading on Ingot Brokers on there all the time. When I first started my stream, I was actually only using OspreyFX, but since then, okay, we've seen the coronavirus crash and all of these indices are absolutely rebounding ASAP. Okay, we're seeing some crazy volatility movements, and to be honest, Forex just does not have that. So OspreyFX is more of your Forex broker. Ingot Brokers is your broker if you want to trade with the big boys on US 30 with very small risk without any worry of losing, $40, $50 ASAP if you were to lose 400 to 500 pips on OspreyFX trading on US 30. So if this video interested you at all, okay, if you like my vibe, go ahead, hit the bell icon so you can follow me and subscribe and all that good stuff. Drop some comments. And as always, make sure you check out all of the links down in the video description. You can go ahead and check out Ingot Brokers. You can check out my website. In fact, I got a completely free trading video that's going to take you step by step and teach you about a trading strategy called the Kangaroo Tails. It is a 100% price action trading strategy. There's no guesswork around it. It's perfect for beginners. is perfect for more experienced traders. So go ahead, check out my website, kangaroohunter.com, and check out all of the links down below. So with that said, everyone, I hope that answered your question in why I no longer trade on the OspreyFX broker and why I moved my money to another broker, Ingot Brokers. So everyone, with that said, hope that helped out. Have a great rest of the day.